friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to share with you this May update of my garden. Okay, so in May how my garden is, and I want to share with you. See how my garden is. Actually, it is very difficult to maintain gardens in May because it is very hot. Here also it's very hot, but still I have managed to keep them green without any shade net, or even I have not mulched the plants also, the containers also. Some of them I have done, but I have not done fully. But still they are so green and all. You just keep watching what is there. Okay, so what is there means there is actually I don't have much to show to you because it is May season and I have removed all the plants. I have already told you I have removed all the plants, and now I am doing some work to for the next season, like for this rainy season. I'm getting prepared for the rainy season, but still I have some these fruiting plants which are growing very well. So you can see here fruits. Okay, so fruits, this is the custard apples. Custard apples last time was so small. We have seen that they are very small, like so small and all, but now these have grown up to a bigger size. So many are coming up, about 10 I think are coming up. So I hope that I will get these. Let's hope so. Some 10 I have found somewhere here and there. And again, this regarding this chickus, this Saphodilas plants, I'm having a lot of hope on this because there are so many flowers and buds and all coming up, and they may turn into fruits. Okay, down I have some plants. I have plants there. There also I'm getting some fruits now and then. And next, what fruits I'm getting here also you can find so small. So here. See here, you can see small ones are coming. I am so happy that to see this, and I think they will grow up very healthy and all. If we take proper care for them. Okay, so here, see here also. So see here also there. Here down also one fruit is there down. I don't know where it is. Yeah, here. And next, what? Oh yeah, here. See, it's grown so big. See here. This is actually I didn't buy these plants. Only two I think I have purchased, but so many are coming off. What I want to do is I want to put everything in one big container. Okay, so that I can grow all of them. And yeah, some are coming on their own. Like if we put the seeds, after eating them, just they are growing up. So what I want to do is I want to separate them and put them in a different container. All together they are coming off. So I will change them, and there's a lot of work here. And you can see one flower somewhere. I have seen these flowers here. Yeah. This is the pomegranate flowers are coming here. See here. You can see pomegranate flowers are coming for the first time. Of course, I had seen last time also, but now two of them are coming. Maybe male and female. Yeah. Then what is coming next is this is the apple bear. Like you can see apple bear, but it's affected with so many things. Some insects are eating off. See here, the leaves are all damaged. I have to remove all these leaves. And here you can see so nice it is. I am seeing so about 3 or 4 I am finding for the small plant. This is only 3-4 months I have purchased before. Only 3 months, I think, 3-4 months. And now this in Anjur I have shown you. This is growing like this, and every day or 2 days, every 1 or 2 days, I have been plucking these. Okay, so this is the Anjur plant. Like here also you are finding. Here also you can find so many on it. So many fruits are coming. So this regarding the star fruit has. Star fruit is star fruit. All flowers have come, but all flowers have dropped down. I don't know why, what happened, but I have to check up why these flowers are coming down and all. And next one, what is there is so many are there. I'll show you. Mulberries. Yeah. This is only 3 months old. This is also only 3 months old. See here, some mulberries are coming. You can see. So here is three are coming, and they are growing. Last month I was, I think they are not there. Last month, here, where is it? Oh yeah, here, three are coming very fast there. So like this it is my garden, and yeah, even one watermelon is there. But what happened to the watermelon? We'll I'll tell you what happened to the watermelon. All of a sudden I found this watermelon here, this plant, but here you can see one watermelon, but there are no leaves on it. Everything is eaten up. See here, not a single leaf. Maybe the leaves are so juicy, they are eating up all the leaves. Okay, that is like this. So this vegetable section and all, I am getting some leafy vegetables. I have been getting so much of leafy vegetables. I am getting 3 or 4 varieties I am having, and I'll show you in my next video what vegetables I am growing. I will even grow more leafy vegetables and vegetables. This brinjal I am getting. Okay then this is what I want to share with you in this May. So okay then, thank you and bye.